Said it's raining down on Parkway. The nights are closing in. Jim is on the pavement. A man, he stinks of gin. He's been fighting on the corner, and the bars are kicking out, and people stop and stare, 'cause nothing draws a crowd like a crowd in the city. Jill is on the night shift. She starts at 10:30. I see her every night around 3 o'clock, sitting with a coffee and a cigarette. Then she fixes up her lipstick, 'cause she got to get paid. She's gotta save it up and get out of the city someday. Get out of the city. If I keep my money all to myself, 'cause this is city life, and this is how it feels. So come on up to my window, come on and stay with me. Baby, this is city life, and this is what you see. So come on up to my window, come on and stay with me. Yeah. Well, old Mac, he gets his papers every day at 5 a.m. He never crosses over. Man, he never makes himself no friends. Well, he's been here since 55. You can see it in his eyes. If I keep doing things the same, maybe nothing will change. Maybe I could stay alive. Oh, maybe I could stay alive. If I keep my head, just keep my head to the ground. 'Cause this is city life, this is how it feels. So come on up to my window, come on and stay with me. Baby, this is city life, this is what you see. So come on up to my window, come on and stay with me. Yeah. This is city life. No, this is how it feels. No, this is city life. How it feels in the city. Wow. Thank you very much. You're too kind. I was not expecting that. That was really nice. This place, right, there aren't very many of us here tonight. It will get busier, it always does. I always come in on nights like this and think, fuck, this is the beginning of the end. It's all going to fall apart. It's going to be empty next week and blah, blah. But then it always fills up. So I'm expecting that. But even if this is the maximum amount of people we have in here tonight, this place is capable of doing really magical things, like when you guys were all listening there in perfect silence. It's weird. And if we can do that all night for all the artists, I think we'll walk away with some fucking amazing memories. So keep being a great audience. Thanks very much. Cheers.